Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called ProfitDomain, which is a brand new GoDaddy killer software that lets you start your own domain register. That means you can register unlimited domains for yourself and sell them to others. And also it is 100% newbie friendly. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
ProfitDomain is the first ever GoDaddy killer that allows you to sell domains to your users or profit via ads or anything else from your own website. This here is a test app that we've created with ProfitDomain. Now, we see a couple of options here. Let's just quickly go through all of them. First, let's put in any domain name. For example, we want to get ProfitDomain.com. And we'll instantly get hundreds of options where we can buy different domains for us for different prices that you can set. Next, we have a domain generator that allows you to sell even more domains to your customers. So we can put in as an example profit as a keyword. This generates domains automatically and shares them with your customers to let them buy these domains from you. And we have so much more whois information that allows you to get information from any domain, reverse IP lookup, domain location, and DNS lookup that allows you to get more information from each domain. All of these tools are helpful for your customers. Myself as a product developer, I use all of these on a daily basis. So let's take a look in the backend of ProfitDomain and see how you can profit off of this. This is ProfitDomain's admin panel that you are going to have full access to. On the left side we see our support and training pages which cover everything that you need to make sure that you maximize your use of ProfitDomain. Then we have all of these options here that allow you to customize your own website exactly how you wish, with your own logo, with your own name, anything that you want. Including SEO settings, you have a bunch of tools that help you and let you organize your own website. And the most important part, you have ad spots where you can enter ads in 4 different locations on ProfitDomain. You can enable them from right here, put in any code you want or just text, and it will pop up directly on your site, and it's the best way to monetize ProfitDomain. Over all of the settings that you can use to customize ProfitDomain, you can even add your own code inside to make sure that your app is completely unique. You can go as far as to change your header and footer links, change your settings for the domains that you want to sell, manage all of these domains right here. We can see that we have all of the extensions and everything that's important right here, and that includes 28 pages of domains, and we can even add pages, so we can even create your own pages. If you want to create sort of a blog and then link everything back to your own domain, it's all possible within ProfitDomain, and the monetization features are everywhere. And with the done for you offers included with your purchase of ProfitDomain, buying this app is a no-brainer. So check it out right now and start selling domains exactly like GoDaddy with the click of a button.